Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you forgot your PIN on your Android smartphone. And this is very easy to do. You can still use your phone. Now, you want to turn off your phone by force restarting it by holding down the power button right here and then the volume down button. Now, after our phone turns off, we want to transition to pressing the power button, the volume up key, and then there will be a Bixby button right here. So we want to hold all three of those buttons down after the phone turns off. So let's hold down the volume down button and the power button, and this will force turn off our phone, and we won't have to press or enter in a PIN. Now, when the screen goes dark, switch to the Bixby button and the volume up button and the power button at the same time, and continue to hold all three of these buttons down at the same time, and continue to hold it down until you see the reset options. So this could be a little bit difficult, and here are the reset options on my phone now. Okay, so we can navigate through this menu by using the volume up key and the volume down key, and then to select something, just press the power button. So what we're looking for is the option to reset our phone. So this is kind of difficult to see, so you got to get really close. Look for the option to factory reset your phone. So here it says wipe data and factory reset. If your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So make sure you have that at hand, but this will erase all the data off your phone, even that security PIN that you forgot. So then you can sign back in and log into your phone normally. So wipe the data on your phone and you should be good to go if you forgot your security PIN on your Android phone. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.